Well, good morning everybody. Some preparation today. Have some parts from the Bronco where you connect the in and the exhaust to the engine. And I ordered a lot of parts from an online shop for an exhaust. And because we're in the Netherlands, it cost a heck of a lot of money to get those things from the States into the Netherlands. So that's the reason why I'm going to reuse a few parts and make something new again. So, tube, and another one. Something bent for over the rear axle, and some other parts. So, jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, I'm preparing the exhaust muffler so I can weld some other parts to it. Repairing the flanges where you can connect the exhaust to the engine. Creating the Y tube and figuring out what cuts I need to make to fit both parts together. The white is a piece of cardboard what I used as a template underneath the car to figure out what angle I need to connect the Y-shaped tube to the straight pipe that's going to the back. And another part where I was struggling on was that complete tube to the back together with the I-shaped pipes weren't in the same plane, so I had to do a double angle in it. Um, So picture from underneath. I think it looks pretty good. The exhaust, not the rest. This part, I think it will work. Still a little bit of positioning required, but we will see how it works. The muffler is having a diameter of 80 millimeters tube, and the pipe I have a 65, so I needed to make a reduction to fit everything together. Well, this is the result of a few hours of welding, crawling underneath that Bronco because standing on a different spot. Couldn't put it on the bridge over here. Give you just a rough idea. So that's it for today. And if you like it, thumbs up for me, and yeah, please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.